How to use Discover Financial Calculators on the website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want help planning your finances, well here is how to use Discover Financial Calculators on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now from here, you can simply scroll through the bottom and there under the resources or tools or the calculator section, you simply have to click on financial calculators or you can simply click on calculate savings as well. And with that, you will find a variety of tools like loan calculators, savings calculators, or credit card payoff estimators. So there you can choose the calculator you need and then enter details like amount, rate, and term. And after that, the tool will instantly show your results such as monthly payments or how your savings will grow. And with that, you can adjust the numbers to compare different scenarios and make a smarter financial decision. And that's it. That's how you can use Discover Financial Calculators on the website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.